and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Let it glow. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice tonight. Island rhythm and skate, every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay, never drift away. Escape, feel the wave, hold on hands. Sunset love, feel the groove. Yeah, golden sky, fading light, holding you just feels so right. Soft wind blowing through your hair. Island love is everywhere. Colors painting in the sky, moments we can't let go by. Every second feels so true. All I need is you. Stay right here, don't let go. Let this feeling slowly grow. In this vibe we can see, this is where we're meant to be. Sunset lovers groove, got nothing to prove. Let the music play till it fades away. Sunset lovers groove, every little move. Feel the rhythm tight in the golden light. Steel drum shining soft and bright, dancing through the fading light. Heartbeat moving with the bass, lost inside your warm embrace. Ocean whisper in the back, keeping every moment intact. Simple love, pure and free, that's our melody. When the sun goes down tonight, we still glow in amber light. Even when the day is gone, this love keeps going on. Sunset lovers groove, got nothing to prove. Let the music play till it fades away. Sunset lovers groove, every little move. Feel the rhythm tight in the golden light. Sunset glow, love will flow. Sunset glow, sunset glow. Feel that breeze, soft wind moving through your hair. Island feeling everywhere. Eyes meet under golden light. Everything just feels so right.
No more words we need to say. Let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone. You're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Real connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels understood.
Bassline deep like endless sea,
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be. Yeah. Good morning, island flow. Sunrise painting golden skies. Reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light. Everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear. Melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright. Grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way. Let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. they're drifting through my mind, leaving all the stress behind. Sunlight dancing on the sea feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze, therapy, set your spirit free. Let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Beat bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound, peace is everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain, like a soft and summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean breeze, therapy, set your spirit free. Let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Ocean air, take me there. Go. Ocean air, take me there. Oh. Slow motion, baby, paradise. Whoa,
Everything just moving slow. Golden light begins to glow. Ocean breathing in and out. Silence louder than the crowd. Footsteps soft along the sand. No more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drums whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time dissolves into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free.
this vibe we finally see life is how it's meant to be. Ride the island wave, let your spirit ride. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Ride the island wave, let your soul be brave. Moving nice and free in this energy. Ride the wave. Ho, ho! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel the sun. Sunlight pouring on my face, good vibes filling every space. Ocean shining crystal clear, nothing else but joy right here. Footsteps dancing in the sand, living life just as we planned. Every moment feels so right, bathed in golden island light. Lift it up, feel the glow, let the energy just flow. No more wait, no delay, let it carry you away. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Steel drums ringing bright and clear, melodies you wanna hear. It's our skank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Nothing else but joy right here. Footsteps dancing in the sand, living life just as we planned. Every moment feels so right, bathed in golden island light. Lift it up, feel the glow, let the energy just flow. No more wait, no delay, let it carry you away. Stress away, sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly, move your body right, from the day to night, yeah, yeah. Steel drums ringing bright and clear, melodies you wanna hear, guitar skank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Stress away, sunlit island energy, heartbeat sinking with the bass. Feel the rhythm in this place. Every step and every move, locked into that island groove. Sun above, no clouds in sight. Everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you. Nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall. Let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just a vibe. Let your body come alive. Island heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighting up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free. That's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand. Life is better on unplanned. Island heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow. Let it go. 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 Memories, soft sand, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sound, all the love we ever found. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the tide we understand, nothing's never out of hand. Memories drift away. Soft sand memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Slow motion. Everything just moving slow. Golden light begins to glow. Ocean breathing in and out. Silence louder than the crowd. Footsteps soft along the sand. No more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drift, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drift, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go. This is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour drift, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour drift, drifting slow. Golden hour, golden hour.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade, every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow. stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon,
footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sun, all the love we ever found. Soft sand memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be.